All right, we have today 1999 Chevy S10 with the issue. It's throwing one code, something related with the open circuit. It's throwing a open circuit related with the fuel pump, and basically it's something to do with the evaporation. And I mean, we can see over here it's a wires hanging. Looks like someone, I don't know, whoever worked in this car before, they do a very bad job. They strip a lot of bolts. They just left a lot of things hanging, like this wire over here. I don't know why they put this wire. I mean, they try to fix everything like it's no equipment or it's no parts, or you know. Anyway, we're gonna be replacing the fuel pump with the evaporation pressure sensor. This unit comes with a new floater too, because this is not showing how much gas the tank has. And this one comes with a new pressure switch for the evaporation system. So we're gonna be putting a brand new switch, and we're gonna be fixing this harness for the fuel pump.